Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to make pendrive bootable with Windows 10, Windows 11. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So in this video, we will know that how to make a bootable pendrive with Windows 10. So guys, download this exe, open any browser and type here under Google search engine RUFUS. Okay, and click here enter button from keyboard, and after that guys, click here this first link and scroll down and download this exe file. Click here and after that right click on this exe file, run as administrator. Select here, click on select button and select ISO file Windows 10. Okay, you should add the pen drive with your laptop. After that guys, you can see here, select here this standard Windows installation, select here GPT as you wish and select here this same. Don't change here anything. Select here NTFS and click here start button. Okay, select here OK button and then click here OK button. Don't change here. Click here OK button. Click here OK and wait for some time until this process is complete. So guys, your pen drive is now bootable with Windows 10. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.